Hey, morning. Mostly when it comes to roof maintenance and or replacement, two times people essentially will replace the roof or repair it when they get a leak. But behind me here, this homeowner has actually gotten rid of all the green algae, moss, mildew, and black streaking. And right now we're in the process of doing a roof conditioning treatment with soybean oil. Let me flip the camera around and we'll take a look at that. The benefits of treating your roof with soybean oil is it helps your shingles stay flexible with the cold Midwest winters we have, stay hydrated so that they can expand and contract with the heat, and also keep the granulars out of your gutter and on your shingles to protect the asphalt and prevent the seal strip under each shingle from breaking off and keeping your shingles glued down. This soybean oil actually seeps down into the shingle to extend the life of your roof, rehydrating your shingle like you would your ashy elbows, your deck. Your roof has lots of tread, no need to replace it. Keep maintaining your property. Be proactive about your roof maintenance, not reactive.